Ethan, did you hear that? Yes, it sounded like a soft hum. Maybe it is connected to the blue light. Lily, are you ready to swim? Yes, I have been waiting all week. Today will be a great day. Mom, look at the water.
What do you see, Lily?
Something moved under it. Where did you see it? Right there, near the blue line. I think I saw it too. Dad, something is moving below the water.
Stay back from the pool edge. Okay, Dad, I will be careful. Noah, my children noticed something unusual. I will check the area carefully. Thank you. We just want to be safe.
There, I saw the flash again. I see it now. What could it be?
The pool system looks normal.
Then the flash may have another source.
We need to check the old records.
This map is from many years ago. Why is this area marked? I am not sure, but we can find out safely. Dad, this line goes under the pool. It may be an old service passage.
Can we learn what it was used for?
Mom, I can see the flash from here. Then the clue is real. I think there is a secret under the pool.
Grace, have you seen that reflection before? No, I have not noticed it. Then we should understand it before we leave. This record mentions an old inspection. Now,
What happened during that inspection?
it says they found something unusual below the pool.
Dad, one page is missing.
That page may contain an important clue.
Then we should look for it. Mom, look at that old picture. It shows the pool many years ago. Wait, what is that behind the pool?
This symbol is on the old map too. You are right, I remember seeing it before. So the photograph gives us another clue.
We should investigate without taking risks. Agreed. Safety comes first. I will check the official maintenance area.
This panel is in the same place.
The old map was showing this exact wall.
Then we may have found the hidden section.
Dad, look at this door.
We should not open it ourselves.
Let us ask Noah.
There is a hallway behind it. It is an old service corridor. Could that explain the flash?
That blue light was not on the old map. Then we have discovered something new. We need to understand where that light comes from. The light is coming through this window.
But what is behind it?
We need another clue.
Ethan, did you hear that? Yes, it sounded like a soft hum. Maybe it is connected to the blue light.
This machine controls an old water display.
So the blue light may be part of it.
Exactly, but we still need to find the source.
It says blue wave display.
Was this part of the swimming center?
Yes, but it has not been used for years.
This was a water light show. Yes, it was very popular long ago.
Maybe the old system is turning on again.
But why did the old system start today?
There must be a reason. Maybe we can find the answer.
Mom, the blue pattern is back. It looks like a light show. The old machine must be working. Look, there is a timer. The display is scheduled to start today. So it was planned.
The note explains everything.
The old display is being tested for the festival. It was supposed to be a surprise.
So there was no scary secret. It was a surprise water light show. And we solved the mystery together. Mom, why does the water make different shapes? The lights are moving under the water. It looks like a secret message. Noah, look at that shape. It looks like a wave. Now it looks like a star.
The next pattern is not on my program.
That is strange.
Maybe the old system added something new.
Lily, those lights look like letters. I can see an E. Maybe it is spelling something. I will write every letter down. Good idea. We can check the order. Maybe the letters make a word. It says W-E Elcom, so the pool is welcoming everyone. That is a beautiful surprise.
Look at the new pattern. It is a heart.
That must be the final festival surprise. I am glad we stayed to see this.
Me too. The children learned something important.
Yes, curiosity can lead to wonderful discoveries.
Dad, I have an idea.
What is your idea?
Next time, I want to learn how the lights work.
Noah, can you teach me about the pool system?
Of course, but safety always comes first.
I will remember that.
First, we always follow pool safety rules.
We should never run near the water.
Exactly. Safety helps everyone enjoy the pool.
We found the answer because we worked together. Yes, everyone had a different clue. Teamwork made the mystery easier.
The old map helped us find the corridor.
Yes, but the corridor was never dangerous.
It was just part of the old system. I remember seeing this light show as a child.
So the tradition is very old.
Yes, and now a new generation has seen it.
I will remember this day for a long time. It was a special family adventure, and the mystery made it even more fun. Noah, look, another reflection. That one is from the festival lights. I thought we found another mystery. It was only a festival light.
Not every strange thing is a mystery.
I guess I am becoming a detective.
This picture will remind us of our adventure.
And of the mystery we solved.
It is a memory we can keep forever.
The pool looks peaceful now. Yes, we found the secret and made a great memory. I wonder what adventure comes next. Lily, I wrote down everything from yesterday. Me too. It was an amazing adventure. We should remember what we learned. I learned that we should not guess too quickly. That is a very important lesson. We should look for facts first. The old map gave us a real clue.
Yes, but we checked it before making a decision.
That helped us understand the truth. We make a good mystery team. Yes, the best team. Then our next adventure can begin anytime.
The festival was a big success.
And the old light system worked beautifully.
The family enjoyed solving its mystery too. The mystery made the festival more exciting.
And the children learned something valuable.
That is a memory worth keeping.
I want to see the pool again. Maybe we can visit another day. I hope there is another mystery.
I will never forget this adventure.
Neither will I.
Next time, I will check the facts first.
We solved the mystery together. And you learned to be patient and careful. That is the best lesson of all. If you enjoyed our story, please like and share. Subscribe for more slow English stories. Thanks for watching and see you in the next adventure.
Work together with others. Be patient and stay safe. Learning can be fun. Thanks for watching.